Let's look at what happened to Tesla today. So we closed at 338.59. We are down $13.97. That's almost 4% down. Post market, we seem to be down by 0.5% more. So what did happen? Let's look at what happened last Friday. This is last Friday's candle right here. Nice candle. We could not break above 348.29. And if we go back to the 1 hour chart, we broke it. Boom, first hour of the day. And then we maintained pretty well. This morning, the first hour of the day, we opened at 360.56. This was getting interesting. 350.56. Our resistance is at 360.65. You know, we are right smack on it. So we open right smack right there, right smack on the resistance. And it really looked like we wanted to break it. And we did break it during that hour because we had a high at 361.93. So it really looked like we wanted to move higher. But then after the first hour, we came back close to our support at 348.29. Stayed there second hour, and then lost it on the third hour, and then we started losing stochastic over 60 at that point. When we lose stochastic over 60 and a support, we are going down to the next support. So this is where we are right now. Let's go on the 5-minute chart to understand a little bit more how this happened. So, okay, this is right here. The first 5 minutes of the day, we opened, like I said, at 365, came lower. We tried it again because we have so many support. We had another support right here, and this helped us. But then after the first 20 minutes, we started going down. And then 348.29 helped us a little bit, but we started to break it. This is another great example right here. We held 348.29. We held it right here. Then we broke it. Stochastic became below 60. We had a move up. When you have a break of a support, then the stock wants to go back up and there's no stochastic, don't believe it. Stochastic is not over 60. Don't believe any move up. And guess what? The move up became a move down. So this is a great example. Disappointing a little bit, but this is really telling. We have a reversal at 360.65. Tesla does not want to go higher than that number. It does not want. So myself, I got out as soon as I saw that we were coming back lower than 348.29. I took my chips out. We can try again. It looked promising. On Friday. The VIX was continuing down. Let's take a look at the VIX right now. VIX is continuing down 4% down. So 4% down. So what did happen? So a few things happened. So Tesla is under investigation for environmental violations at its Austin and Fremont plants, including over 9,000 gallons of untreated wastewater discharged and 112 air pollution warnings. So I guess this is not helping anybody. Also, lots of chatter right here, market chatter. Tesla excluded from EV consumer rebates under California proposal. So Tesla's electric vehicle would be excluded from a plan to offer state incentives to EV buyers if President-elect Trump repeals a federal subsidy once he takes office. Bloomberg reported Monday, citing a statement from California Governor Gavin Newsom's office. So basically, we are seeing a little bit of FUD. This environmental investigation, is it the EPA that Trump is going to get rid of or something like that? Are they retaliating? I don't know what is happening right here. I think people want to take this stock down. Basically, this is what I think. And if we look at UBS, says Tesla's AI dreams inflated. All of a sudden, the dreams are inflated. So you can read this, but to me, it looks a little bit iffy. From a daily chart perspective, this is still okay. We still have, a good stochastic. Technical indicators are still good. We are still above the 21-day moving average. So, everything is still good. we could reach back down to 309 without, without suffering too much, because this is where we are, for more longer term investors, this is the bullish channel we are in. Yes, we are close to the resistance. We cannot break it. We cannot break 360, 65 either. We cannot break both of them. And as I said before, we could be going to the other side of the channel. It's possible that we start to go on the other side of the channel, and then we are going to see if we are going to bounce on support. We could remain there a long time. Certainly, after having seen this big red candle today, it makes us a little bit weary as the next time we are going to get to 360. It is what it is. We need to adjust our mindset based on what is happening. So as I said, the VIX continuing down. So this should be helping a lot of stocks. Look at this right here. Everything is almost green. There's a lot of green on my watch list. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones continuing very well. S&P 500 touching resistance again. I'm going to see it all the time. Touching resistance. It can continue like this. And NASDAQ red candle, but still a up. So if you are a longer term investor or a swing trader, the swing is still pretty much valid. Now people that are trading on the 1 hour chart need to be careful, because, with this move up that we had last week and now this move down, we need to be careful not to get zigzagged to death. So that's a concern. But aside from that, if you are more a longer term investor, this is still very open. It's just a little bit disappointing that it did not continue, but we don't always get what we want. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.